I'm so excited today. Just a few blocks from right here in this beautiful Gulf Coast sand, I've got an affordable luxury living for you. Come on, I can't wait to show it to you. If you have a luxury design eye, there are details here you don't want to miss. I mean, yeah, you've got a nice island, but look at these cabinets and the ceiling details. Elevated lifestyle with these tall ceilings, again, details. The curve, the arch, the tile, it's all in the details. All of this space, enjoying the openness of the rest of the home. This luxurious 4-bedroom, 3-bath with your main ensuite on the bottom is perfect. So for more information, look in that description below. I've got the link there for you to check out all the finer details. And don't forget, subscribe to our channel, thebeachshow.com, so you don't miss out on this beauty ever.